Is Canada your dream country and your dream is to move to Canada through jobs? You don't want to move to Canada to visit and to find your way out, but you want to move to Canada through either school or job. Now, today let's talk about how you can move to Canada through job without an agency, without paying anyone, by doing it yourself. Okay. So first of all, the first thing that you need to do is to know this website I'm going to talk about. Now, before you can get a job offer in Canada, you can get a job offer through the employer's website or through the government website. And this is what I am going to share with you. And this is what we are going to talk about. Now, we are going to base on the government websites. Now, the name of the government website where you can find all the jobs, all the vacancies in Canada is Canada Job Bank. Canada Job Bank. The moment you go to their website or you search Canada Job Bank, you'll be able to see a lot of things here. But make sure you choose this particular one, okay? The Canada Job Bank. Now, I'll leave another video in this video description where I did a step-by-step tutorials on how to apply for or how to create Canada Job Bank account and how you can also start searching for job. Okay, now the moment you get to the job bank, okay, there are employers that has applied for LMIA that is pending and approved. Okay, so somebody may ask, so what is this LMI? Now, LMI refers to Labor Market Impact Assessment. Okay, that is the LMI. Now, what this means is that this official document will allow the company to recruit a foreign worker to fix vacancies in Canada. Okay, so what this employer needs to do is that the employer needs to advertise the vacancy on the Canada Job Bank. Now, if no Canadian or no person in Canada with a valid document to apply for this job, then this employer can apply for LMI. And if the LMI is being given to the employer, then the employer can recruit or go outside and bring in foreign worker to face that particular vacancy. So that is what we mean by the LMI. Okay. Now, for you to get this job, you need to go to job bank and then you look for employers who has applied for the LMI or has approved LMI. Okay. So if the employer has an approved LMI and you submit your application to this kind of employer, and if you're lucky and they pick you, they book you for an interview and you are able to pass out your interview, then that is the turning point for you because they are going to issue you the LMI document. There are a lot of documents that the employer will issue to you for you to start with your visa processing, and you can do it yourself without any agent. Okay, so if you're looking for jobs in Canada, being a caregiver job, construction job that does not also require you to have a university degree or no qualification, then you need to make sure you go to job bank. You'll be able to get this job there. Okay, and with this you don't need IELTS to apply for your visa. Okay, because with the labor market impact assessment you don't need IELTS for this. So this is the right time, or this is the big opportunity that you can take. Now, if you want me to help you to hunt for job, you want me to help you to create standard CV or cover letters that the employers will schedule you for an interview, make sure you book it through the number on the screen, or check my portal, or check my description, or check the description of this video and book it through my website. See you in the next video. Bye bye.